Hey, this is David with Landmark Roofing. We're up here in Rivertown on the beautiful Wando River. Right now is day one of the Spanish tile roof repair. Come with me, let's check it out.
Hey y'all, obviously I'm not Dave, I'm John. I'm the more attractive one with hair. We're out here on this Spanish tile job today. Currently my crew's already done taking the tiles off. They're scraping the rest of the insulation off and prepping this roof to be waterproofed in overnight. We're doing all this because this house had an entire family of raccoons getting up on the roof underneath the tiles, causing quite a bit of damage. This homeowner had to look for a contractor that could solve his problems. And this is how we solved it. As you can see, these are some really special tiles up here. It's really difficult to find and they really don't make them anymore. So I can see why other contractors didn't want to do this job or work with this type of material. But what we did is we looked at the roof down there on the dock, found out it had the exact same tiles that matched these ones here. So we took that roof off, used all those good tiles to fix all the broken ones up here to make sure this roof was good and solid and ready to go. And that's the Landmark difference. Landmark difference. Remember, it's a very complicated job. We couldn't source the tiles to match the ones that were currently up there. So what we did is we found the ones off the boat dock. They matched perfectly. So we used those to repair the tile roof up there to keep the raccoons out. As you remember, this is a big problem, but there is no problem too big or too small for Landmark Roofing to solve. So what problem can I solve for you?